Okay, so this light switch, I'll show you all a trick to it I've seen online where a lot of people were trying to figure out how to get this out. So if you like that, okay, like if it's on your dash and that's how you turn your lights on, there's a button underneath here and you push that all the way and it releases. Okay, then you can unscrew this and voila. Okay, so now that we have it all apart, okay, I've got these pieces and this. So what I'm going to do, there's for your 2 vacuum hoses. So I'm going to bring this around to behind the dash. Okay, just like that. You can see that. Okay, there's those 2, sorry, there they are. There's the 2 vacuum hoses. All right, so next, make that a little brighter so you can see. So I'm going to put this on here, just like that. Oops, upside down. Jeez. There, just like that. And I'm gonna take this opportunity to clean this. Let me clean that. I'll be right back. Okay, I've got this cleaned up a little bit better. Let's try that again. I'm trying to make this a fairly quick video. Again, 2 vacuum hoses are right here. Got the lights on the right way now. I'm going to take this and screw that in. Bear with me. There it goes. Okay. Now, I'll show you another something that I have to do. Okay, so that's finger tight, so hang on. Okay, so of all the dang tools that I have around here, I don't have, and I'll show you what I mean, a screwdriver wide enough to hit that. This almost is. So, I know some people have used chisels. I've got this kind of this all-in-one scraper tool, and it's actually perfect. So I can get that in there and tighten that the rest of the way. Okay. Let me show you what I'm doing right there, like that. Just like that. Okay, I nearly got it. That's pretty tight. I'm going to stop right there. Okay, and so now there's the switch. Okay, and there's the 2 vacuum hoses. Okay, pointing in that direction. So there's what it looks like. Okay, now we're going to put the knob back in. Okay, so now that the assembly's in there, through there, and again, this is the problem I had when I revinyled it. So anyway, this now will just, you can just kind of feel, and then when it's in the right spot, just push it in, and that's it. Right there. Yep, okay. Just like that. There's your light switch, and there you go.